Hi everyone, once again welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about Deloitte offer letter and when you receive it after receiving letter of intent. So when you write the exam, the first exam, the Deloitte National Level Assessment was held on 7th of February 2023. After giving the exam, you have been a mail that is shortlisted for interview. After clearing the interview round, you have the first mail received from the Deloitte, that is the confirmation of verbal offer that you will be selected for the role of analyst trainee. After this, you got a mail of letter of intent. At this stage, all the candidate will receiving the mail, and after that some of the candidate will receiving the goodies also, but some of will not. So in the month of July, I talked most of the student in my college also that all those who fill the form and given the interview and receiving the letter of intent will receive the goodies also. After that, this regularly I also mailed the Deloitte that when we hire or when we get the offer letter, then they will just write or send a message that you will be receiving a communication from us on this message from 1 August or before this also the same message they replied. But when I messaged on 31st July, they will send one more message that you will see here. You will receive a communication from us on this once your date of joining is finalized. Means when your date of joining is finalized, then only you will get the offer letter. And many of my batchmates are also from different college. In their Deloitte offer, Deloitte hire from on-campus drive, they still did not get the offer letter. When they asked from their placement cell of their college, they said that Deloitte will hire in the month of generally September to November. So relax until when the month of September and November, the Deloitte will start hiring again. So that's all for this video. If you have any question or want to share your thought, drop a comment below. Remember to subscribe for our channel for more content like this, and thank you for being a part of our channel.